As you have seen in this video, I'm talking about the untold story about online side hustles. Of course, if you have been here for a while, you know that I create content about how to make money online, how to earn another coin, another, paper there. And every time I post a video, someone comes in and he's like, oh,
but I tried and I didn't make it. Yeah.
So those questions that you bring up to me every time I upload a video, I'm going to be addressing them today. And one of the most important thing you have to know is that it all begins by you taking one step forward. I mean, you can watch as many videos as possible. You can watch all the videos I have uploaded, all the videos other people have uploaded, and if you never take that step forward of registering and start trying out, you will never earn that money. Not all websites are legit, so you have to, it's like try and error. And one thing I should remind you about, these are side hustles. So by this time you already have like a job which gives you a certain income, but you want to earn more, and maybe you want to alternate and see how you can do this thing. So you have to try all these websites. Not all are legit, like not all of them are going to pay you back, but you have to go through the research, you have to go through the reading. Every time I review a website, I'm always like, read what they talk about and read the reviews of other people who have tried the website already. So think about it related to the previous comment I made. Actually, these websites, most of them are from like the US. They're from different countries. So you'll find out that not all websites will work for you, or not any side hustles from a given country will work for your country. Like let's say in Europe or in the US, there is a side hustle you can do of like walking dogs. I mean, where are you going to do that in Africa? Let's just be real to ourselves. Just sort out those ones that you think will definitely work for your country, and leave out those ones that will not work. So, and also, you will actually not earn maybe money in the first month, like a lot of money in the first month or the first 3 months. If you are trying out the websites I have been uploading, like user testing, like transcription websites, those ones you will not technically earn a lot of money in the first month. But if you are trying out a side hustle, like doing laundry for people, like going for grocery shopping for people, of course you're going to earn money, because you are just giving your service there and then, and you are paid there and then. So those ones which you have to log into a website, do some administration work here and there, they will take a little while for you to start earning. But those ones that are manual, like you go present yourself and do a service, and of course they pay you directly. So you have to be specific on which one you want to do and which one that you want to do but can wait, depending on how much money you want to get and how much time you have. Now this one, you have to be really kidding me. Like someone comes in, they're like, okay,
Emily, I tried this website that you gave to me, but I'm not getting results.
What can I do? I mean, you just registered. There is a whole process of you to get that money that you want. So if you want money, you have to understand that these side hustles, actually, at a certain point, it's time consuming. So if you don't have enough time, then I would advise you to first schedule, plan when you do your 5 to 7 job and when you do these side hustles, because they need a specific time for them, because they can be frustrating if you have not planned for it. This point goes to specifically websites, like you go like user testing, like all those websites for transcription. you may not get a task to do for a couple of days, a couple of weeks, a couple of months. So what I do in my time, I don't sign up for one website. I personally, I don't do transcription because it takes a lot of time. Coming back to what I previously talked about, it takes a lot of time, and since it's a side hustle, I can't like spend too much time on something that, you know, it's not going to give much. But if you have time, this is good for you. So I most of the time do user testing kind of task. So you find out that some website, I have 3 websites that I work with, so some will take like a month without me seeing anything. But since I have 3 of them, in between there is one of them which has provided me a task, which means there is one of them which is going to generate revenue for me at the end of the month or at the end of 2 weeks. So you have to be strategic on how you arrange these websites or these side hustles. Which one comes first? Which one do you prefer, depending on your lifestyle? Lastly, I mean, I think by now you should understand this because it's self-explanatory. You have to try as many websites as possible. You will try one and it doesn't work out, please don't come back to me and say, oh, I tried and it didn't work out. You have to try as many as possible, because if you are aiming at doing like an online kind of side hustle, it means there is a lot of competition. So you have to compete. I mean, there is a lot of unemployment currently. We all know that. So you have to compete with all those people. Sometimes you will not be chosen, which means you have to look for an alternative website. So don't only stick on one website that I have reviewed, but look at all of them, and even the ones that I haven't reviewed, because I don't think I have reviewed many. So look at all of them and just try as much as possible. I mean, if you need this money, it means you are going to try. If you don't need it, you definitely aren't going to try. And guess what? You can only have that money if you have tried. So try and fail, but never fail to try. That's one thing I can tell you. I hope this information has given you a clear view on how you can, arrange your task. Which side hustle do I want? An online side hustle? Do I want a physical side hustle? Because they are also there, and you don't need any degree to do all these side hustles. Good news, we are in 2022. So just choose what works for you best. Do all those good stuff. Like, share, and comment in the comment section which website you are using, which side hustle you are doing, and how much has it made for you, because I want to know how this channel has impacted you to begin, or how this channel has impacted you financially. Because last but not least, I hope you are enjoying the shorts I have been putting up, the small video, just in case you don't understand the term shorts, about mental health. Because I thought about it. We are making money, but if we are not mentally in a good place, what's the money for? So this is why, I keep on changing, putting some sugar, some salt, some spices. So stay tuned and see you in the next video. Bye.